Hello and welcome to the Silk Lakehouse in Hangzhou. I'm going to give you a quick tour, or rather possibly a longer than normal tour, of this amazing West Lake suite at the hotel. There's so much to say about this property. Let me tell you the basics first. The Silk Lakehouse is part of Shangri-La Hotels. Shangri-La Hotels has had lots of nice hotels over the year, but they've just launched what they call their new signature line of hotels, which will be their ultra luxe proposition. And this is the first one. It's in Hangzhou partially because Hangzhou is the Chinese city in which they opened the first Shangri-La hotel ever. So walking in, let me just show you some of the initial clever features. You've got your safe in here and some storage space, really big. Look at this little icon here, just clever and simple, showing that it's where the iron and ironing board is. You also have a valet box over here. This is very like what you get at Peninsula hotels, where you can put your stuff in these little drawers, slide it along, and then the staff can pick it up, whether it be laundry or delivery or something like that, without you being disturbed at any point. So toilet in to my left. Oh, let me show you more about the attention to detail here. So this is, for example, your laundry bag. Just really, really nice. Everything aesthetically is so well done, like remarkably well done. That laundry bag you can take home for £8, $10 approximately. Going into the bathroom, here I am. I got this new gimbal, which I am learning to use. People have complained that my videos are too shaky. I'm working on it. There are your toiletries. Look how slick everything is. Toiletry brands themselves for shower gel and so on are by Sisley currently. They are possibly changing that, which I would recommend. One of the few shortcomings here, I think, with the toiletries are they're in these tiny single-use tubes. You don't really see those anymore. Okay, going through here, bathtub, very generously sized. They have bath salts and dried flowers, so you can have a full bath ritual experience should you wish. Sorry for the bang. Moving through here into the bedroom, I'll mention that they have got underfloor heating as well, which is handy in winter. I am here in summer and it is so sultry and humid out. Very comfortable in the hotel, but slightly oppressive if you're walking around the tourist sites. Bed is great, very comfortable, full pillow menu, but also they have something I haven't encountered before, which is one of these clever mattresses by Bright, this Australian brand, and it allows you to decide the degree of firmness or softness you have for either side of the bed. So if you and your partner like it differently, it's adaptable. Cool, huh? Here as well, I love this feature as well. I put the TV on this screen on purpose. This is the room introduction, and it shows you what each room has, and then it shows you where to find those things within the room. So your Dyson hairdryer, for example, is inside the drawer of the bathroom. Very clever, so simple, but so clever. Mini bar as well, or it's rather quite huge. Everything pretty much, save the wine, I believe, is included. So they've got their own gin here. Here there are, let me just show you very quickly, 4 gins inspired by the seasons. It slightly references the name of a rival hotel brand. If you talk about that in more detail, so I'll avoid out of respect. Very high-end coffee maker. They have their own house beer in here, as well as fancy tonic and so on. Tea set, snacks as well. Let me just show you the carpet underfoot while we're at it. So well done. Oh, look, control panels at both sides of the sofa, as well as both sides of the bed, so that you can close the blinds, change the lighting, whatever, without moving, irrespective of where you're seated. And then coming out here, this is a city of over 10 million people, and it's like we're in the middle of a forest. It's incredible, the greenery. If you're a level up, you have an amazing lake view as well. You have a partial lake view from here, and so much nature around you. It's really remarkable. I'm highly impressed by this first signature hotel from Shangri-La. They'll be opening one in Kyoto in the near future as well. I'm filming this in May 2026, and it's definitely one to watch.